Welcome back. We're at Bramley Moor Dock, where Everton's new stadium is rapidly taking shape. Check out the latest. They're now installing the final sections of the black cladding, marking another big milestone in this exciting build. The installation of solar panels is nearly complete, with just a few panels left to be fitted. These panels now cover almost the entire south-facing roof, which is a substantial step forward. Interestingly, the original plan included arches, but it looks like the design has shifted. Instead, the roof features wined baffles that resemble the ones installed around the trees at the other end of the site, creating a unique and functional appearance. Moving to the east side, there's more progress to report. The joint coverings on the roof are being applied, which should address any previous concerns about potential leaks. The area around the pitch is also seeing changes. There's a second layer being applied in a different direction, which might be a preparation for topsoil or a related task. You can also spot sprinklers in action, suggesting there's still quite a bit of work left to ensure the pitch is in prime condition. The construction site seems quieter than usual today, which might indicate that most of the heavy work is currently underway. I'll be away for the weekend, so the next update will likely be on Tuesday. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this update, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support is always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.